fucked up now, isn't it? There we go. Right, I don't know if this is going to catch sound. Are you ready? Full picture so you get the full effect. This is actually going to have Rick Astley play into it, not the usual plinky plinky music. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. I thought it was a Rick roll at first, but it's not. That's vile. The nastiest video in the world. Oh, she's snowballing now. Alright, do you want to stop? Okay, it's gone, it's finished, it's finished. Wave to the camera.
No.